Pleasant good Monday afternoon. It's the 26th of October. It's about 4:35, 73 degrees, 7% humidity. Oh, we've had gusty winds all across Southern California today. And yeah, there's a huge fire burning in Orange County. And it's burned over 4,000 acres with no containment. This is why October is like the height of the fire season. You know, we get those dry Santa Ana winds. You know, it's, yeah, sometimes, but this is kind of like a mild Santa Ana. Yeah, and it's going to be in the 70s most of the week though. And into the low 80s by the weekend. And yes, this is our last weekend of Pacific Daylight Time. And yes, we change our clocks next weekend. We fall back. We gain an hour's sleep though. Yeah, Monday Night Football between the Bears and the Rams should be a good one. Also, it's also the day off of the World Series, which resumes tomorrow. Tomorrow's Game 6. Game 7, if necessary, will be Wednesday. And normally it's a travel day. And yeah, we'd be flying from Tampa back to LA. And yes, the Dodgers, of course, are still one win away from a championship. And like I said, the Game 5 winner, when the best of 7 series is tied, the Game 5 winner wins about 68% of the time. So we'll see what happens. Meanwhile, have a good rest of your afternoon. Be safe. Amen. I'll talk to you later. Peace out.